Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at cryptocurrency forks. Cryptocurrency forks are significant events in the lifecycle of a blockchain network. A fork occurs when there is a divergence in the blockchain's protocol, resulting in two separate paths. This can happen for various reasons, and can lead to the creation of new cryptocurrencies. There are two main types of forks: hard forks and soft forks. Hard forks. A hard fork occurs when there is a fundamental change to the protocol that makes previously invalid blocks or transactions valid, or vice versa. This type of fork is not backward compatible, meaning nodes that haven't upgraded to the new rules will no longer be able to validate transactions or participate in the network. Hard forks often result in the creation of a new blockchain and a new cryptocurrency, separate from the original chain. Examples of cryptocurrencies created through hard forks include Bitcoin Cash, BCH, Bitcoin SV, BSV, and Ethereum Classic, ETC. Soft forks. A soft fork occurs when there is a backward-compatible change to the protocol, meaning nodes that haven't upgraded can still validate transactions. In a soft fork, previously valid blocks or transactions are made invalid according to the new rules, but they remain valid according to the old rules. Soft forks typically result in a temporary split in the blockchain, but only one chain remains dominant as miners and nodes converge on the longest chain. Examples of cryptocurrencies resulting from soft forks include Bitcoin's segregated witness, SegWit, upgrade. Forks can be planned or contentious. Planned forks are usually upgrades to the protocol agreed upon by the majority of the community and developers to improve the network's functionality, scalability, or security. Contentious forks, on the other hand, occur when there is a disagreement within the community, often leading to a split in the network and the creation of rival chains and cryptocurrencies. While forks can provide opportunities for innovation and experimentation within the cryptocurrency ecosystem, they can also lead to confusion, disruption, and volatility in the market. Investors and users need to stay informed about upcoming forks and understand the potential implications for their holdings and the broader ecosystem.